this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix unable to receive messages on Instagram. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Instagram messaging requires a stable connection, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated versions can sometimes cause messaging problems. Next up, launch Instagram, navigate to settings and activity page. Here you'll need to customize few settings. Head over to the option messages and story replies. Click on the option message request. Here you're gonna find different section. For all these sections, set it to everyone. Likewise, toggle on for the option allow access to messages. If you're still not receiving messages, you can log out and log in back to your account. This refreshes your account and often fixes temporary bugs. You should also check whether the person trying to message you has been blocked or restricted. If so, their message may not appear in your inbox. So navigate to the section blocked and check. If you find the person in this section, you can unblock them. Likewise, you can check the server status of Instagram. To do that, launch your preferred browser. Then type in Instagram server status and search for it. Now head over to the website, Down Detector. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app from your device. To do that, press and hold on the Instagram app, select remove app, click on delete. Now head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and download it. And that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.